Alright guys, case of Valor football tonight. We'll pick out 4 boxes to do. Valor football. Valor football. We'll take the bottom, or we'll take the top. We'll move it to the right. So which 4 should we do? Left, middle, right. Valor football. What do we think? Left, middle, or right? Any thoughts? Left, middle, or right? Say 5-star is probably going to be about 15-20 minutes. So we're running just a little bit behind on 5-star. The left, it sounds good. We'll do the left. Good luck, guys. Valor football tonight. After Valor, we'll do 5-star. Base. So it'll be on YouTube tonight. So we upload them nightly when we get done. So it'll be on YouTube tonight. So this stuff's a little bit longer tonight with Chrome and Valor. So we'll get done about, what, 10:45-ish. This should be on YouTube by midnight. First auto, number to 50, Dolphins, Jay Ajayi. Jay Ajayi, number to 50, the Dolphins. Base. Base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Base. Got a auto patch, 2-colored to 99. 2-colored auto patch to 99. Cleveland's Duke Johnson. Duke Johnson, 2-colored to 99. And a speed of Aaron Donald, the Rams. Got a Courage, number to 299, Andrews Pete, Saints. Base. Or base. 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 Got a rookie jersey to 99. Rookie jersey 99. Got a Green Bay's Brett Hundley to 99. Brett Hundley, Green Bay Packers. Your base. Base. More base. More base. More base. Got a rookie patch, rookie 4-colored patch. Rookie 4-colored patch for the Jacksonville Jaguars to 75, Rashad Green. Rashad Green, 4-colored for the Jags. Speed, Ryan Kerrigan. Last back, box number 1. Base. Slide those back. Box 2. Box number 2. All base. Got a veteran auto, numbered to 25. Veteran auto, 25. For the Donkeys, Terrell Davis. Terrell Davis. For the Denver Broncos, numbered to 25. Base. More base. More base. Base. More base. Got a discipline until 199, Roger Staubach, Dallas Cowboys. Got a veteran auto patch, numbered to 50. Veteran auto patch, numbered to 50. 3-colored. Tampa Bay's Mike Evans. Mike Evans. Tampa Bay Bucks, veteran, number to 50. Speed, Big Ben. I don't think he's got much speed though. Base. More base. Base. All base. More base. Got a rookie jersey. Number 299. Rookie jersey. It's a 99. For the Baltimore Ravens, Javorce Allen. Javorce Allen. The Ravens. Pure base. Base. Got a patch. Barely 3-color to 25. Barely 3-color to 25. Miami Dolphins, Devontae Parker. Devontae Parker. The Dolphins. And a speed of Patrick Peterson, Arizona. Base. Or base. Base. Or base. Finishing box 2. Box 3. Box number 3. Base. Rookie auto, number to 800. Rookie to 800. Jeff Herman. Denver Broncos. Jeff Herman. Rookie auto to 800. Base. Base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Got a 2-colored rookie auto patch, number to 99. 2-colored rookie auto patch, 99. The Jets, Devin Smith. Devin Smith for the Jets, 2-color to 99. Speed, DeMarcus Ware, Denver. Discipline, to 199. Lynn Dawson, Kansas City Chiefs. Lynn Dawson for the Chiefs to 199. Base. Base. All base. It's scary. I think Steph Curry got better this year. All base. Base. Got a rookie for the Chargers. Rookie jersey for the Chargers, number to 300. Melvin Gordon. Melvin Gordon. Three base. Got a Courage, number to 299, rookie Sean Mannon, St. Louis. Base. Base. Full base. Got a single colored jersey to 299. Single colored to 299. Colts, Philip Dorsett. Philip Dorsett for the Indianapolis Colts, single colored. Speed, Vic Beasley, rookie for the Falcons. Last pack, box number 3. Base. Slide that one back. Box number 4. Box 4. Then we'll move on to 5-star. Base. More base. More base. Got a rookie jersey, number to 99. 49ers, Mike Davis. Mike Davis to 99 for 49ers. Your base. Got a Discipline to 199. Houston, Jalen Strong. Base. Got a Valor and 50. Eric Hendricks, rookie for the Minnesota Vikings. Base. Courage, number to 299, Ronnie Lott. Ronnie Lott. Base. Got a single color jersey to 99. Another single color jersey. 99. Oakland's Amari Cooper. Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Giants, Phil Sims. Base. More base. Rookie auto, number to 800. Got a duplicate. First one was an auto patch. This one's a base auto to 800. Duke Johnson. Cleveland Browns, Duke Johnson. Cleveland Browns, Duke Johnson. Base. More base. More base. Got a Courage, number to 299, Dominic Rodgers-Cromartie for the Giants. Base. Base. Auto patch, 3-colored. 3-color to 99. Steelers, Martavius Bryant. Martavius Bryant for the Steelers. 3-color to 99. Speed. Denver's John Elway. Four base. Last pack, Valor, football tonight. All base. Finishing Valor, football tonight.